Hello, this is my Module 5 presentation demonstrating the difference between a cluttered or overloaded visualization and a simplified visualization. Let me first talk about the article by Schwank. Schwank argues that when there are multiple external representations, a variety of cognitive, metacognitive, and self-regulatory demands on learners may not necessarily lead to better understanding of the materials covered. It basically means that when presenting text, animation, colors, and video on a frame, namely multiple external representations, a learner not only has to recognize what each of these means, which is cognitive load, and try to relate all these representations and think about whether they make sense or not. That is metacognitive load. But also, a learner has to interact with it by clicking, playing, navigating, and opening something, which Schwank called self-regulation. Schwank argues that these three types of load sometimes exceed learners' capacity to process and overwhelm learners and hence hinder learning rather than aiding. What I have here is a set of instructions on how to reset the password for WebAdvisor, our college portal site. This is what I created with Google Draw as a part of the assignment in my previous class. When I created this, my objective was to cram everything into one picture. I wasn't thinking cognitive load. The task itself is not really that complicated, but the way it is presented may give an impression that is complicated and takes many steps to complete. I try to simplify by splitting these into a few slides, limiting information in each slide. There is now only one task in a slide. It seems simpler and have less cognitive load. These still have text. It would be even better if I could come up with the images that could explain without text. That is all for my presentation, and thank you for watching.